I'm gonna talk about mobility today. The status of my mobility, aka my Jeep. Let's get to it. So I'm going to give a overview of what I put on my vehicle, what I carry in my vehicle, maybe even talk about a little bit of my get home bag, but I'll probably make a video later on to show you guys what I carry in my get home bag. So here it is in its current state. Everything you see on this Jeep I purchased, installed, worked on in my garage, and here's its current state, and I'm going to go through everything that's on it. I do have additional other things that I want to do to the Jeep, that I do have the equipment or the parts sitting in my garage. I just haven't had the time to do it. But everything you see here, enjoy the show. So what do I carry in my Jeep? So I do carry some items inside my Jeep for defensive purposes, to also part of my package to get home, but we'll talk about that some other time. But majority of everything as I carry is in the rear, in my compartment, in my Diabolical Slipstream compartment. That is actually a secure compartment. So let me just see what we have in here. I mean, the first thing, as you can see, is my get home bag, and I'll talk about this bag, what I have in it, what I carry it on another video. So I have my get home bag. I have a tool bag, you know, just a general. This are all the tools that I need to maintain my mobility. So generally, you know, for example, I have a tire repair kit, you know, that I just carry to do tire repair if it's necessary. But I will talk about it also what I carry in my tool repair bag in another video. I also have a portable fuel can, one of the fuel packs that I carry, would always have fuel in it, you know. And by the way, these are the new versions, so they don't have any type of ventilation in them, so they're safe to keep interior in the vehicle. And here I have a fire extinguisher that I do carry with me, and then I have my first aid kit.